Alright, New England Elevators, I have a little gift for you. That kind of does look like a fire alarm, and I wanna give you a little present because I don't have a fire alarm yet. I remember I showed you my fire pull station, and the other fire alarm YouTube users I remember you subscribed to me. This is gonna look like a fire alarm, and I hope you would like it. Let's take a look at it. Right here's the little horn, and this is a light right there. That's not a strobe. Here are the springs and the wire connection. Here are the batteries. I have rechargeables. Let's take a look at the back. Yeah, that's a lot of wiring. Well, we're gonna get started with the test, and we're gonna get started with the test, and you know, in 3, 2, 1. This is just the light first. So here we go. Yeah, the light is completely red. It's a red light. I don't know why the... Let's turn on the light. That is really bright. It is pretty bright actually on the camera, but it's kind of bright here in my eyes. It is very bright. Let's shut off the light now. Now we're going to test the horn of the tester. First I disconnect this wire from this little soldered spring right here. I gotta connect it back. Now I gotta disconnect one of the wires to the light. There we go. Now we're gonna test the horn. But it's gonna end up, well, it's not that loud. So 3, 2, 1. It is quite loud. Now it kind of looks like a fire alarm, almost like a 2903 light plate. I've heard about those from New H Server Alarm, and I heard about those, and those are quite rare. I think I've heard one of those when I was in preschool when I was young. Actually, when I was a little kid. I'm trying to connect the horn. I'm trying to connect the light back. There we go. Now we're going to test the horn and light together. Here we go. Yeah, I just had to silence it and remove the paper clip. In order for this to work, you gotta see these two springs right here. Make sure to connect the paper clip to these springs like this. Whoops, the horn disconnected. The wire got loose. Sorry, I thought the horn broke for some reason, but it didn't. There we go. That's how it works. You know, do not connect this paper clip to these springs right here. The wires will melt and get hot, and it can make the battery acid fluid leak out in its plasma, and that also can be dangerous. Guys, do not hook this paper clip and these two wires together. The wires will melt and it can start a fire, and it's a fire hazard, and you can shock yourself, so do not try that, by the way, because the wires will melt and this thing will not work anymore. This was from my experiment box that I got 2 years ago. I hope you liked it, New England Elevators, for a fire alarm, but it is quite loud. It's like a 2903 light plate, which is quite rare. Those alarms are quite rare, but some are common. I hope you enjoyed it. And anyways, that's it.